Good day viewers, welcome to this channel in this series IT Solution. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can create a presentation slides in just a few minutes. And if you have a document or a PDF file you want to convert to PowerPoint, you can also watch this video. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe. So let's continue. The AI software we're going to use is called gamma.app. Gamma is an AI tool which helps you to generate a PowerPoint slide within a minute. And also, if you have a document or a PDF you want to convert to slides, you can also use this software. Next, we are going to go to gamma.app using the link. Once it loads, you are going to sign up, and after signing up, you will answer some basic questions, and here you will have an interface like this. Then you click on the create new, and if you have the content with you or you copied it from a website or from a Word document, you can choose the first option here and then you paste it in this side. And if you want to use a prompt like create a presentation slides on digital marketing, you can click on the second option here. Then you write your prompt for it to generate the presentation slide for you. If you have a URL or you want to upload a document, you can click on the third option. Then you upload the document. Once you upload the document, it will process the document. Since we are creating the presentation, we are going to leave the selection on presentation. Then we click on continue. Then after that you can do some basic settings and then select a template. Then after selecting a template, you will click on continue, and then automatically it will generate the slides for you. And here is your slides. You can also export or download the PowerPoint by clicking here and then click on export, and then after that it will download the slides for you.